Jesus!
While it's every minute, kids stop at the pool. I see bad things arising, they come from the increase wrong too bad. I see blood and destruction, our elimination because of one man. Blood and destruction because of one man. Because of one man. Our elimination because of one man. Because of one man.
What to do about this Jesus mania?
How do we do when they come again?
Where do we start with the man who is bigger?
When it's every minute, he'd stop at the pool. Fools here have no perception. The stakes we are gambling are privately high. We must rush him